For the steering wheel controls, the left one, plus and minus arrows are for your volume. You can slide your finger as well for all features. Menu is for the system between the gauges on the dashboard. The arrows left and right will function for the radio as presets if you press them, next station if you hold it down, and also it will run your arrows for your menus on your gauge cluster. This is the quick access button, is a diamond. This is your hang up or call button for your phone, and this is your voice activation button. The left side is the following. At the speed you want to maintain, hit the set button once, it'll freeze the speed there. Every mile per hour faster you want to go, tap it one time, or for the negative, one less. This will resume your cruise control when you hit the brake. The buttons here are your distancing for your adaptive cruise control, 1 to 3 lanes of cars. This is your lane keep assist button. This cancels your cruise control. This sets your speed limiter, and this is your heated steering wheel. And of course the middle is the horn.